Oh, there's our multi.
Shows you how they ain't very reliable.
I already got into one crash and they didn't replace them. Well, there goes your...
was saying that he just got it fixed.
Yeah, that's what he said. He just had a bunch of work done.
He just replaced your new trench.
Well, he doesn't get it covered either, so he's crap out of yesterday as well.
So where's the insurance company?
Well, Andy says that, I was talking to Andy, he said you can sue him.
No, you sue insurance company. That's DeVore should know. She works at an insurance company.
Andy says, well, I'll get a lawyer $4 and I'll sue crap out of
Who said that?
No.
It doesn't matter.
DeVore should know. She works at it.
Andy's wrong.
She said what happens is they'll both go, tell your insurance company and theirs, and they.
Oh, well, here's $4,000. Let's forget about it ever happened. But Andy says if you were drinking and driving and you went onto the property and hit your truck, then you can sue him for doing that.
I'm not going to sue him. My neighbor. I'm not going to